Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston. We're on Ocean Boulevard and we're going to be driving around downtown. Now, Ocean Boulevard, straight ahead is the Digital building, and that's the UDC building. On the right is the Kingston Harbour. Now, there was some talk once, I'm not sure how far along the plans are, for cruise ships to come in and dock downtown. So when they come in, this is the area the tourists would come off, right here on Ocean Boulevard. That's the harbour over there on the right. So the plan is the tourists would come in a cruise ship, so the tourists would come on shore for a few hours. They would bus them to Devon House, Bob Marley Museum, all the popular places, just like how they do it in Falmouth when they come in to the Falmouth Pier. And then this area now, Ocean Boulevard, you would have set up like a hip strip. So in Montego Bay, they have a corridor that they call the hip strip. It has a lot of tourist stores, basically, tourist attractions, restaurants, those kind of things where people can do shopping. So they would turn this area into something like that. They would have security and police, just like how they do it in Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, the other towns where you have cruise ships coming in. So I'm not sure how far along those plans are, but it probably would be a good idea. On the left is the conference center, so you have a lot of foreigners who come to Jamaica for conferences. On the right is the Bank of Jamaica building. Beside that is the Scotiabank building. So you have a lot of foreigners coming down here for business. So it would be a good idea to set it up like a little tourist destination. You have the Oceana Hotel that is being renovated. So, and the airport is not too far away. Across the harbour, you see that land strip, that's the Palisados, and that is where the airport is. You have Port Royal down there. So you have a lot of different destinations that people can go to close by, because the ships only come in for a few hours. So it might be a good idea. Hopefully it gets going soon. You know, COVID changed the timeline on a lot of things, especially to do with tourism. Okay, on the left is Ocean 7. It's a restaurant and bar complex. Very, very nicely set up. It has a deck that overlooks the harbor, so very scenic. Okay, it's now going to be called Rock Kingston, I guess that's the name of this hotel. It's not going to be the Oceana Hotel anymore. I saw a sign that said ROK, so not sure if that's the name of the hotel, but it's definitely a hotel. It's being renovated now and should open soon. Okay, we just turned down to King Street and we're heading towards the parade area. Now this part of downtown is the more commercial part. No, sorry, the more it has a lot of stores, a lot of shopping, basically wholesale. It doesn't have a lot of the office buildings. That's more on Duke Street and that side. So King Street and Princess Street, that's where a lot of shopping goes on. A lot of wholesales, a lot of stores. Okay, this road, this intersection right now, that's Port Royal Street. It's a one-way, and downtown Kingston has a lot of one-ways. It's now green. And then this intersection now is Harbour Street. So if you wanted to head left, you would have to turn on Port Royal Street. If you want to go right, you'd have to come up and go on Port Royal and Harbour Street. Okay, but we're going straight and staying on King Street. And of course, you don't have to drive very far in Jamaica to see indiscipline on the roads. So here is this car, just decided to park in the middle of the road, blocking up the lane. And that's just an everyday occurrence in Jamaica. They think by putting on their flashers, it's okay. Here is another car, just parking the road casually, blocking up the road, going about their business, not a care in the world. You would think they would get a ticket, but who knows. Okay, on the right, that's the Supreme Court of Jamaica. Okay, this intersection now is Barry Street. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. I don't see any stoplight. But okay. So we are still on King Street, heading towards the parade area. Okay, I guess this is going to just park in the middle of the road. You can see the white car over there has stopped in the middle of the road. Okay, the taxi was picking up somebody, and that's how they do it. They just stop in the middle of the road, pick them up, not a care in the world. Okay, now we're heading to, as you can see, these are a lot of wholesales, a lot of stores, a lot of shopping goes on down here. This street, King Street and Princess Street, that's a major shopping area downtown. Okay, straight ahead is Parade now. On the left is where the buses park, and straight ahead is the William Gordon Park. And Parade runs around the park. So you have North Parade, South Parade, East Parade, and West Parade. This is a very busy section of downtown Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching the channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.